Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. In this video, we are going to discuss GPSTR CB method blueprint. So basically, I am going to discuss the high priority chapters and blueprint for both chemistry and biology useful for GPSTR CB method aspirants for paper 2. Now this is based on the model question papers which have been released in the school education website, and also it is based on the syllabus which has been released in the school education website. The syllabus was released earlier only, and model question paper is released just I think 2 days back. So this is the question paper. You can go through the question paper. We have put this in the Telegram channel and the paid Telegram groups also. So we are not going to discuss the model questions in this video. We are making this video with the more important point, which is the preparation strategy. So I am going to just tell you which chapters you should give more importance, then next which should be the of little bit importance, and the least priority chapters. We have analyzed these model question papers and the new syllabus of GPSTR CB method. Based on that, we have made this blueprint and the priority chapters. So before I discuss your blueprint, I want to tell some more important points, like note this: there are no negative markings for any question, except that if you don't tick fifth option in your OMR sheet if you don't know the answer. So basically there will be one multiple choice question with 4 choices, right? One question will be there, you will have 4 choices below, right? If you know the answer, then you bubble the circle in the OMR, the correct one for that particular question. But if you don't know the answer, what you have to do is, there will be a 5th bubble in the OMR sheet. You have to just fill that bubble. If you forget bubbling, then you will get negative marking. So basically your OMR sheet should be filled with the bubbles for all the questions. Either it is correct answer or it is a don't know option. Clear, right? And like GPSTR 2022, there is nothing this time. Especially you don't have to read physics and mathematics if you are a CB method aspirant. Remember this. So you don't need to prepare for physics and mathematics if you are a CB method aspirant. And there will be no descriptive questions. All multiple choice questions will be there. So this much is clear, right? So you have 40 questions for chemistry. Like that only you will have around 40 or 41 questions for biology, followed by your methodology. The science methodology questions will be there. Okay, clear it? Now we have analyzed all this, and we have made this blueprint for chemistry. Actually, I am not showing you syllabus in this class because we have made another video for chemistry and biology syllabus, right? So if you want, I'll put the link in the description below this video. You can go and check out there. If I discuss syllabus also here, then the video will become lengthy. Only because I am putting both chemistry and biology in one video, I am not discussing syllabus again. Anyway, that syllabus only is used to make this blueprint also. The syllabus and the model paper has been used to make this blueprint. So sometimes what happens, CB method aspirants, they keep on searching the videos and they are not finding it. So that's why if I make chemistry separate and biology separate, again they keep on searching. So avoid all that. So to avoid all that, I have put chemistry and biology here only in one video only I am discussing. So to make the video shorter only, I am not discussing the syllabus. Okay. So let's start with the chemistry blueprint. Here you can see that there are 12 questions from the model paper for chapters like atomic structure, bonding and periodic table. So this is your first priority. Next you have 9 questions for metals, non-metals and inorganic chemistry. 6 questions from particulate nature, states and classification of matter. Then 6 questions from organic chemistry and carbon compounds. 3 questions from thermodynamics and electrochemistry. 2 questions from acids, bases and salts. 1 from separation techniques and 1 entire from chemical reactions, equations and stoichiometry. So total of 40 questions are there. So with this you easily understand that which are the priority chapters. First priority are atomic structure, bonding and periodic table, then metals, non-metals, inorganic chemistry, particulate nature, states and classification of matter, then organic chemistry and carbon compounds. Okay. So what is the good news here? The good news is there much of organic chemistry is not there, right? When compared to inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry is very much less, which is a good news because aspirants feel organic chemistry as a tougher topics. So that's why we are telling this. Anyway, based on this blueprint, we can also easily tell now the priority chapters, right? So what is your first priority? So which are the chapters you should focus more in chemistry now? You have to start with atomic structure, bonding and periodic table. Then go for metals, non-metals and inorganic chemistry. Then go for particulate nature, states and classification of matter. So this much is important for you, which is the first priority. Then after you get mastered in these chapters, then only you go for next topics like organic chemistry and carbon compounds, physical chemistry also you can touch there, like thermodynamics and electrochemistry. Then least priority you give for acids, bases and salts, separation techniques, chemical reactions, equations and stoichiometry. Anyway, acids, bases and salts and separation techniques are easy topics only. There is nothing like you should neglect. You have always been preparing for these topics. Even in TET also and even in from the old syllabus of GPSTR also. So nothing to worry. It's nothing like you will have to neglect, but then you can give least priority. Again, I will come back with the chemistry and biology together. Let me first show you the biology blueprint which we have made after analysis of model question papers and the GPSTR 2026 new syllabus. So as per our blueprint, first priority, number of questions are 10 questions for this chapter, cell biology and histology. Then you have human anatomy, physiology and health, 7 questions. Then genetics, molecular biology and evolution, 7 questions. Plant physiology and biochemistry, 6 questions. Taxonomy, diversity and classification, 5 questions. Developmental biology and reproductive health, 4 questions. Ecology, environmental science and applied biology, 2 questions. So total you have 41 questions. So with this we can easily say the prioritized chapters now. So what are the most important priority now? Cell biology, histology, human anatomy, physiology and health, plant physiology and biochemistry, genetics, molecular biology and evolution. This will cover entire of your 30 questions, which is more than 60%. So this becomes very, very important for you. After you get perfect in these chapters, then you go for next priority, taxonomy, diversity and classification, developmental biology and reproductive health. Then you go for ecology, environmental science and applied biology. So basically, if you want to score more, you have to give preference to the priority 1 chapters here in biology. Even in chemistry also I was telling you, right? More than it is 50%. 27 questions you can cover, around 27 to 30 in fact I can say you can cover if you go with these priority 1 chapters. And in biology also, if you cover these many chapters, you can go for 30 questions. So this is huge, right? So huge difference is there. So you don't need to worry with the huge syllabus or new syllabus. You have to work smartly. So what you are going to do now? Together we have planned this for you. Your smart preparation strategy, this is including chemistry and biology I am telling. So for high priority chapters in chemistry, atomic structure, bonding, periodic table, inorganic matter and organic chemistry, so much you have to give 70% effort. Full high priority chapters these are. Like that only parallelly you can prepare for biology. You should go for cell biology, human physiology, plant physiology, genetics, molecular biology and evolution. Like that only talking about the next important preparation, you have to just give 20% effort for that. It is thermodynamics and electrochemistry, then go for acids, bases. Then in biology, go for taxonomy and reproduction. Then only 10% effort or smart coverage. You don't need to go in depth for chapters like separation techniques and reactions, chemical reactions and ecology, environmental and applied biology. Okay, so much is clear, right? Now we told you which are the most important chapters. So for this only you have to focus more. Okay, clear, right? And what is the plan we have made for paid batch for GPSTR CB method aspirants is we will give you most important chemistry videos and we will give you the best possible notes and worksheets for chemistry and biology. Okay, so we really hope that this will help you in the peak of your preparation. Thank you. All the best. Bye.